Park Industries has been around since 1953. Thanks to you, our customers, we've been so fortunate to have become the leader within our industry. And although our economic environment may look slightly different in the upcoming months, our agility and resilience won't waver. We've been through challenges in the past. Together, we'll weather this storm as a company and as an industry. In the near future, our industry will rebound and be stronger than ever. Rest assured, we're here to work together and help you through this time. What matters today is that we're agile with our business to meet your needs and are focused on the health, safety, and success of our families, associates, customers, and community. We've built Park Industries with a focus on providing exceptional service. So now or later, please reach out to us should you need any assistance with your machine or your fabrication process. As for us, we've built our business over the last 67 years in this great country, and we're not going anywhere. So until we visit again, stay safe and strong.